Hello all and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Lish the baker, and on today's episode we are making sugared donuts. This recipe was actually born out of the need to use up some egg yolks. I had used egg whites in my coconut macaroon video, which I'll link up above for you guys if you want to check it out. But I had some leftover egg yolks and I did not want them to go to waste, so I came up with this sugared donuts recipe to use them up. But then it was so good, I decided I had to share it with you all. This recipe is actually super simple to make, but it does take a bit of time as they are yeasted donuts and they need some time to rise. These donuts were a huge hit amongst my friends and family and coworkers, so I highly recommend making them for your next get-together. Without further ado, let's get into the recipe. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the little bell icon so you get notified every time I post a new video. And leave a comment down below. Are you team donut or donut hole? Until next time, keep it delicious.